Today we're gonna work on some drainage issues in the fridge. Been dripping on the bottom of the freezer. So first thing we're gonna wanna do is unplug the freezer and take everything out of the fridge and freezer. So you obviously did a good time to clean it. So then I took off this back panel right here with these 3 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I guess. And then I hit it with the dryer, or I just use Harbor Freight heat gun. So just hit it like this, so it just breaks down all this ice in here. Because what happens is a freezer freezes and then dethaws, and all the water builds up, goes into a pan that's actually underneath here and drains and then evaporates. But if that hose that's in the back is clogged, it's gonna build up and pull right here in the bottom, and it's gonna be nothing but ice. You're gonna break it up, and over time it's just gonna leak. So I'm pretty sure that hose is clogged, so that's what we're gonna do right now. We just finished thawing this out. So all the ice in there and should be melted, and it should be all on the bottom now. So we'll see. So the next step is to come in the back of the fridge, and we're gonna take this panel off. So just unscrew it right here. So it's these screws. So we're gonna do that. Okay, we got the screws popped off, screwed off. Now we're gonna just lift this up. And I'm trying to do this with one hand, so let's see. There we go. So as you can see here, that's with it off. And I'm pretty sure this hose is the one that's clogged. So sure enough, this was the hose to the drain pan on the bottom right here. And I just pulled it right out, and sure enough, it's clogged. So I'm gonna run a hose through this and unclog it. And I'm gonna check to see, make sure that's not clogged as well. Then I run a little brush up in there and clean that out. As you can see, the bottom of the drain pan is dry. Nothing in here at all. Just looking dirty. So the trap down here was frozen. It still is a little bit. So I'm gonna hit it with some more with this heat gun. You can see down there that the drain is clogged just from the ice. So I gotta let the fridge either sit a little bit longer and let all the ice melt, or I can kind of help it along its way with the heat gun. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just gotta be careful. Move it back and forth. You don't wanna melt any of this plastic up here. But if it's frozen all the way underneath a little bit, might have to just let it sit a little bit longer. Only so much I can do with this. All right, so I'm a little impatient. So I'm boiling some water to put up on here and help melt this ice. Because I got food in coolers and can't wait this long. So as you can see over here, there's a little teapot. Heating up some water, I'm gonna pour it down there. But the important thing is to make sure, if you have your hose out, put a little pan, a little bowl, and then get the hose, now that it's clean, remount it up here. And then just want to make sure that this water runoff is gonna sit like this, so it doesn't go into the drip pan. That's it. Okay, I boiled some water and vinegar just to help clean it out. Here we go, here's all the water and vinegar, perfect. came through nice and clean. Okay, reattach the hose. Bottom part here. Make sure there's no kinks in it. There we go, nice and flat, straight. And then reattach the panel with the screws. Okay. Okay, now I just have to put the panel on.